Today I will be discussing the range of RJT adapters offered by the metal company. RJT Unions, also known as ring joint type unions, are commonly used in the food and beverage industries in New Zealand. They are designed to quickly connect and disconnect frequently dismantled sections of pipework or hosing. These adapters are designed to make it easier for you to use RJT unions in different configurations, without the need for welding parts together. The metal company stocks RJT adapters in several configurations, including BSP nipple to RJT male adapter, BSP socket to RJT male adapter, press fit to RJT male adapter, triclover to RJT male adapter, BSP nipple to RJT weld liner and hex nut adapter, and a press fit to RJT weld liner and hex nut adapter. If you need an RJT adapter configuration that is not available, we offer a welding service that can make it for you. So whether you need a standard adapter or a custom configuration, we have you covered. I hope this has been helpful in explaining the metal company's range of RJT adapters to you. If you have any other questions, please get in touch with the crew at the metal company, because we make buying stainless steel easy.